the install machine workshopper. For our painting room, usually after the machine structure finished, we do the painting the machine first. We do install. Cutting the raw materials here. We are install the press breaker and the shearing machine. This is our press brake tooling workshopper. Now let's see how we packing the press brake tooling. Before delivery, we use some oil to the press brake surface, then we will pack it like this. This is the working table. We will test the machine before packing. We will test the press brake accuracy, everything here. Then we start packing. We make some machine spare parts by ourselves. Use the mining machine, CNC center. Some customers ask how we guarantee our machine quality and guarantee accuracy, just like every machine spare parts. We use the CNC center. I will give you some introduce about this machines. This machine controller is Holland DA66T program. The machine with +1 axis. Now we are install this machine. Maybe after 10 days, we will deliver this machine to our customers. For our Rongwin's CNC machine, I will also give you some introduce about our machine process. All the machines, CNC machine, we will painting first, then we will install. Okay, now we already show you our factory, one place of our factory workshop. Let's go to our Rongwin's office building to show our sales team and details to our customer. This is just one workshop for the machines. Here is the workshop for the press brake tooling workshopper. We have in this factory place, we have two workshopper. One is mainly for the machines, press brake and shearing machines. The other workshopper is for the press brake tooling and blades. Now let's go to our office building. is one of our sales team office. If you guys have any inquiries, you can send to us. So all the sales colleagues will reply in time. This is our meeting room. Just now we will show you our live show the details video here. This is my office. This is my office. Every time I just walking here. Okay, let's go to another sales team office. This is our another working office.